I'm so incredibly excited to kick off today's episode of this ultimate bag review because it is one of my ultimate favorite Louis Vuitton styles, and plus I have an unboxing which I'm so excited to share with you all. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome back. I am Katie. I'm the designer babe, and I am so incredibly happy you are here. If designer bags and all things designer screams you, you are in the right place, girl. I am so excited to have you here, and today we're going to be reviewing one of my ultimate favorite Louis Vuitton bag styles. It is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. Before we get started though, I'm going to give you a little bit outfit details. It is freezing cold out here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. It is 16 degrees and it's sleeting and snowing, and so we are definitely getting our cozy on today. So we have the white cozy oversized cardigan, some Uggs. All of that is linked down below if you want details on all the fun stuff that I've got on. Okay, let's get started. I absolutely love the Pochette Métis. It is one of my ultimate favorite styles. It's kind of crazy because I realize I have this in 5 different colors. So I'm kind of the person that, like, if I could talk, I just get so excited about this style. I am definitely that kind of person that, like, if I find something I like a t-shirt or leggings or any of those kind of things, I buy every color. Please tell me I'm not the only person that does that. I know I don't have every color and every print in the Pochette Métis, but I have enough, that's for sure. I absolutely love this bag, and for a few different reasons. So I absolutely love the style of it. It definitely is a little bit more boxier of a style. I tend to lean to things that have more structure and not so kind of like fluid, and I love the look of the Pochette Métis, like the rectangular shape. It just looks really nice on your hip, especially being a curvy girl. I am a size 14, and so I like bags that don't make my hips look even wider, and this bag definitely does not do that. So that would be like the first thing right off the bat. That is my favorite thing about this bag, is the overall shape. The second thing that I absolutely love is a top handle, because sometimes you just want to be able to carry the bag by itself. You don't want to have a long bulky strap. You don't want to have the strap dangling from it. Maybe you want to use it as more of like an evening bag look. Definitely a nice feature that they have, like an actual functioning strap that you can hold on to on the top of the bag. That one is definitely my number 2. Number 3 is like one of my go-to things that I look for in a bag, and that is definitely a back pocket. I love to be able to grab my phone or my keys or my cards, whatever have you, easily accessible without having to rifle through the whole bag and find out where the heck everything is. So the back pocket for me is usually where I keep my phone, and sometimes also my keys, or like my card holder, something that I want to just be able to like grab easily and get in and out very quickly. So that is definitely a plus for me, and I absolutely love that it's also a zipper, so that if you want to keep it secured, you totally can in the back there. But that is, I don't know if I'm the only person that's like this that has to have a back pocket. I absolutely love just that feature. It just makes it very easy to always find those necessity items like your phone. My number 4 thing is the interior space of this bag. This bag fits it all. When I say it fits it all, it fits it all. I absolutely love that it has the 2 different compartments on the inside, and then it also has a hidden pocket along the back. So along the back, I actually keep like excess cash, or like maybe like my Felici card holder in the back, because if that's stuff that you're not going to be reaching for all the time, but you want to make sure like it doesn't spill out when you're trying to rifle through everything to find what you need, that definitely is the pocket for you. The front 2 pockets, like the front pocket itself, I keep usually some of my bulkier items. The one downside about this bag is that it is a little top heavy, and so when you set it down, it does kind of lean more towards the front. It doesn't bother me that much, because usually like if you balance the strap kind of behind it, it keeps it equally distributed. but definitely put some stuff in that front pocket because it's going to be easier for you to get that lock closed and undone. If there's not stuff in there, it kind of can be troublesome to get it loose or even to get it locked again. This style also fits full-size wallets, which is always a big thing for me. So if I want to carry my Zippy wallet, I easily can carry that inside this bag, which I absolutely love. And you can see here that I have all of my daily essentials on the inside of this bag, and I absolutely love it. The last feature that I love about this bag is the strap. I have all of my height through my darn torso, and so it's always really difficult for me to find a bag that is long enough for my torso, that doesn't look like it's sitting super high up on my hip or anything when I have it crossbody, especially in winter here where we have to wear bulkier coats and vests and all that. We have lots of layers, and so I like to be able to have a bag that isn't super short, but I have the option to wear it on my shoulder or crossbody, not just on my shoulder. So I definitely love that. And I love that also the strap is adjustable. So if you want to wear it on your shoulder but wear it a little higher, you definitely can. And also if you're a little bit shorter, definitely a great option because you can make that strap even shorter too. So that is why I absolutely love this size, and I love this style so incredibly much. I definitely recommend this style, probably one of the most, other than the Odeon, because it is very trendy. I love the overall silhouette of this bag, and it comes in so many different prints and materials. It does come in the empreinte leather, it comes in the canvases as well, just in the monogram. Doesn't come in azure or a ben yet. I hope that they bring that out because that would be really fun if they did. But this one is definitely a collector piece. I absolutely love the bi-color that I have here, which is the black with the cream. Super pretty. But I wanted to kind of share my unboxing with you guys because when we were in Vegas for our anniversary over New Year's Eve, my husband actually was totally going behind my back and planning this massive surprise with my CA, who's absolutely amazing. I had no clue. I just knew that I needed this bag, and I had been talking to him about how much I needed it and I loved it and I had to have it. And all of a sudden, like, we got there and we're in the VIC room, and all of a sudden he's like, well, I got that for you. And I was like, what? So crazy. I absolutely loved it. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox that for you guys because it is so stunning. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen some sneak peeks of it just because I couldn't wait to use it before filming this. So let's go ahead and unbox this beauty together. Absolutely stunning. So this is in the Arizona colorway. It is empreinte leather, but this one has the stitching detailing, and the reason why they did this was they wanted to kind of give homage to the original Louis Vuitton trunk style. And you can see that the larger monogram is kind of almost like a very faint blush, so it does contrast nicely with kind of like the vanilla colored stitching there as well. And then on the inside here, this one has the tan kind of butterscotch coloring suede interior, and then of course like the treated leather strap, which I just love. Absolutely love this bag so much, and I hope that you guys love it too. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that this bag review helped you guys if you've been contemplating the Pochette Métis style, because it is one of my favorite styles from Louis Vuitton. Obviously, I have way too many different variations of it, but it is also my most used. So it is the most practical crossbody I feel like you can have out there, that's for sure. So if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and make sure that you get notified every time that I launch a new video. I'll try to do more reviews like this because we've been asked a bunch to do reviews on certain styles. So let me know below if there's a certain style you want me to review. Bye!